This is the Iowa Weather Report for Thursday, November 27th, 2014. And now our first look at the 0Z GFS model run. At noon today, we have a trough over the eastern part of the country, a ridge over the west. These images from Weather Bell. The northwesterly flow is going to bring the cold temperatures down. You can see highs today will be mainly in the teens and 20s, maybe some low 30s in our southwestern counties. You can see a warm front over the Dakotas. That'll actually be lifting across the state late tonight and into the early part of Friday. This could kick off maybe a flurry or two. Nothing much to talk about with that. But then on Friday, temperatures maybe upper 20s far northeast to the mid 40s in our southwestern counties. This will melt a lot of the snow that fell yesterday. Saturday, another day where we could see some snow melt, highs well into the 30s far northeast, 40s, maybe a few 50s in our western and southern counties of the state. Don't expect this to last because, unfortunately, Sunday the cold air comes back. With the cold front that'll come through during the morning hours on Sunday, could spark a flurry or a sprinkle, and then temperatures look to slowly fall through the day with strong north to northwesterly winds on Sunday, and then we're back into the deep freeze again Monday, highs back into the 20s, lows in the lower teens, and that looks to continue only maybe another day after this, because this being Monday, Tuesday, we're back warm again. Another front, Monday night, temperatures start to warm again. So we could see highs back into the 30s or lower 40s here as we move into Tuesday. This roller coaster weather pattern. System off the west coast crashes in here by the middle of next week, but it begins to fill as well and weaken. But this is going to start a new storm off in the southwest and the southern plains here as we move toward Wednesday here, and then Thursday, next Thursday back on NSEP, you're going to see a disturbance over the middle part of the country, and that's going to be with the new storm system that'll be developing and then moving across our portion of the country. This could bring some rain and or snow across the state. We'll have to see about this in the coming days, what type of precipitation this could be. Readings could also be dependent on where the frontal system's set up at this point. Going into the extended period, on the 8th of December, we have pretty much a very wavy pattern. A trough over the Great Lakes, a ridge over the Rockies, a trough over the northeastern Pacific and the Gulf of Alaska, cut-off low over the south and west. Could bring some rain and maybe some very high mountain snow down there. Some snow showers coming around over the western Great Lakes. It could come into our part of the state, or into the state, northern, northeastern counties. The end of the forecast, the 12th of December, a couple of systems, one off the east coast, one moving through Canada, one moving through the Intermountain West. A bit of a ridge over the south and east. It's going to keep them somewhat calm, but also somewhat showery, especially in Texas. Around here, it looks like temperatures could be above normal, or above seasonal levels for the middle part of December, but this could change on the very next run next day. Satellite image from last evening, we had this system, the Clipper system, moving across the Midwest, the Tennessee and Ohio River valleys. This will be moving further to the east. The nor'easter that brought a lot of heavy snow to New England moving away, and the next system coming into the north and west. Watch warning map from last evening. I'll get it out. Winter storm warnings continue over the northeast. A few winter weather advisories in the Tennessee River Valley. A couple winter weather advisories and winter storm warnings up in the northern high plains. Elsewhere, quiet as QPF chart doesn't look very quiet, but it looks somewhat quiet around here. Very little precipitation here for the next 5 days through Tuesday evening at 6 o'clock, or Monday evening at 6 o'clock, excuse me. Heaviest over the west and over the north and east.